Happy Friday, first grade! This is the last day of virtual learning until we come back to the classroom on Monday. Woohoo! Who's excited? Good. All right, so today's lesson we're going to start with the game, start with and get to. Now, remember, we're not starting with the number 1, we're getting to the number 1, so we're going to be counting backwards. All right? See if you guys can do this first one with me. You ready? Woo! We're going to start with 15, and we're going to get to the number 1. Count backwards with me. You ready? 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right, next one. Ooh, easy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. You do this one at home. Ready? Go. Awesome. All right, next one. Let's do this one at home too. Ready? Go. Awesome. All right, last one. You ready? Start at 13. You ready? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. Good job, first grade. Cannot wait to see you all back. Bye.